Ooh, it is a hot one out there, and it's only going to get hotter if you can believe it. 88 degrees right now in Miami, 92 in Fort Lauderdale, 86 in Key West. And sure, of course, head to the beach to try and beat the heat, but look at how rough the surf is. You don't want to get in the ocean. It is not safe with that high risk of rip currents. Look at those winds whipping south about 13, 17 miles an hour, gusts over 20 miles an hour. And already a temperature of 92 in Fort Lauderdale. We're looking at 88 right now in Miami and 90 in Opelika. And when you factor in the humidity, it already feels like 102. In Fort Lauderdale, it feels like the upper 90s elsewhere, and there's that wind sustain out of the south, 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusts to 22, 24 miles an hour. It is dry and quiet, but it would be nice to get a little bit of rain, right? Because that could at least bring our temperatures down a little bit. But here's a look at our forecast highs for today. 93 degrees is what I'm expecting in Miami and Fort Lauderdale, as well as for the inland areas in the low 90s. Even across the Keys, going to be very warm, close to 90, and feeling like the triple digits, so you certainly want to drink plenty of water, stay hydrated, take frequent breaks if you have to be outside during this hottest time of the day. You know what? It's going to feel oppressive the rest of the week and through the weekend, and even early next week. This heat wave is going to continue. High risk of rip currents if you are headed to the beach, as I mentioned. So if you can't, just stay out of the water. I know it's tempting. You want to go in to try and cool down, but just be safe. Small craft advisories in effect over the Atlantic waters. Hot and muggy today and tomorrow, even hotter, with some isolated storms as we get into the afternoons, but especially on Thursday. As we head into the weekend, we're going to still be near the mid-90s as that front is going to stall to our north and won't be getting here. Rainy season officially begins tomorrow, but we're not going to see a whole lot of rain. It's only a 10% chance, and breezy and just scorching with high around 96. Still sizzling Thursday, 96, close to the mid-90s as we head into the weekend. Maribel, it's summertime, it seems.